Kabenta ka Baar jong kajingakan Khubor Hapdeng Jylla Assam bat Jylla Meghalaya kala orlong henen Sngi ka arpoi tarik unailar 8,000 arpuar ha ka ba umintri rang ba ka Jylla ukan rat sangma bat umintri rang ba ka Jylla Assam uhimanta biswas sarma kilaya kendo lang halong ba agati Assam ka Jingpynbeit yo pot usam na kabenta henreu teli ki jaka ya kaja kilong ka khanduli bat psiar block 1 bat block 2 Bordwar Langpi Nongwa hadu mautomur bat kadesh dumre kini ki arngot ki mentri rang ba kini jengo ya kini ki jaka Khubor dalade banyo ya kajingtip babnya na kilong yeng ki basa ha kini ki jaka ha kini ki jingya kendo lang layathu ba Hapoh khatsen Sngi kini ki atli ki sarkar Jylla kin thau ya ki regional committee.
The process of finding a final resolution and completion of this entire border dispute should continue now, and with that in mind we have decided that the second phase of discussion on the 6 areas of differences which are left, namely Disya, Khanduli, Block 1, Block 2, Bordwar, Mautwar and Langpi area. These 6 areas of differences will be taken up in the second phase. We have decided today in this meeting that within the next 15 days, these 2 state governments will form regional committees for the 3 areas, which is 3 districts. And in this, the respective cabinet ministers from the respective states will be the chairpersons of these committees. We also decided that since the Karbi District Council is there in Block 1 and Block 2 and Khanduli and Disya, that members from the District Council of the Karbi will also be part of these committees. Once the committees are formed, then accordingly site visits, public consultations with stakeholders will start, and we hope that the process will move forward and in a reasonable time we should be able to complete the process for the next 6 locations also.
Or who will visit the disputed sites falls within the area of Karbi will also include representative from Karbi Autonomous Council, because in that area it will be basically for the Karbi Autonomous Council to help state government in resolving the dispute. So from Assam side we include their representative also in the committee. So I hope and pray that like first phase, second phase will also be smooth. Second phase will see some kind of resolution between the 2 states, and of course whenever required, whenever necessary, the Chief Minister of both the state will continue to meet, and if some guidance is required to be given to the regional committee, will keep on giving. So that was the basically spirit of the discussion today. Within 15 days committees will be notified and will try to resolve the dispute, and I am sure that with the blessings of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, we will be able to resolve the dispute amicably and to the satisfaction of the people of both the states.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.